We're gonna unbox NeoCharge. NeoCharge, take charge of your power. You are one switch closer to a cleaner and more sustainable future. Let's build a better world together. Ryan, Spencer, and don't know his signature. There's a manual, user guide. Seems straightforward. Step 1, connected. Step 2, screw brackets to hold it in place. To secure it, okay. EV adapters, turn on circuit breaker, and that's it. So 10% coupon. This is the device. That's all it is. NEMA 1450 male, and then 2 NEMA 1450s females, one on this side, one on this side. It's got an LED indicator for primary and secondary. NEMA 1450R, 50 amp, 125. Secondary, primary, and it's got some deep screws to figure out how to open it up. Okay. Thumb screws, bracket screws. I remove the bracket, we don't need it. Okay, I think that's good. So here's a recording of it, like successfully charging. I connected both the chargers. There is a primary and secondary. That's the secondary. Both the NEMA 1450 adapters are connected to it. It itself is connected. That's in one car, and the other charger goes to the other car. I did reduce the input current to 16 amps for both cars, and then there is one outlet that I had an extension cord for NEMA 1450 that charges both. I'm going to do an overload scenario now where I increase the current consumed by the cars. I've connected both the chargers now, but I let the cars go up to their max. The secondary is charging already before I start this. And then what I do is on the other car, I'm going to now start charging. And what you guys will see is Neo senses the current load, doesn't cut it out immediately, but as the current load increases, it will it'll trip the voltage. It actually cuts out the voltage, not the current, and yeah, the light will turn yellow on the side like that. And then when you check the car, one is charging successfully, the one we started, and the secondary one, you will see that it's actually receiving no voltage. It has current.